Hello ARID members. I'm Melanie Thornton and I am your webmaster for your website arkansasrid.org. I'm sorry I'm not able to be there with you this weekend, but I wanted to take a little time to create an orientation or a tour, if you will, of your website. Let's start with the home. Looking at your home page, you'll notice that the first link you come to is a skip navigation link. This link is simply an accessibility feature that allows users who do not use a mouse to skip directly from that link down to the main content of the page so that they don't have to tab through all of the links between here and there. The next link that you come to is the link to the Member Lounge, and we'll talk more about that here in just a little bit. You'll notice that you have a header that highlights some scenery from Arkansas and will give you and your visitors to your site a taste of the beauty that Arkansas has to offer. This header changes with each section of the site, and we'll go look at some of those here in just a minute. The next area of the home page is your navigation, and you'll notice that under some of the main links are sublinks that lead to subsections of each of those areas of the site. Within each subsection, you'll notice that there's a different header, as I mentioned, and also a different color scheme. Your board wanted to change the color scheme in each section just to make the site more visually interesting. Let's go back to the home page, and I want to now draw your attention to another area of the home page, and that is this announcements section. Oops. You'll notice that in the announcements section you'll find headings or titles of articles or posts that give up-to-date information about things that are happening in Arkansas that relate to interpreting and the deaf community. If you select one of those links, then it will take you to the full text of the article that is described in that heading. If you want to instead see all the articles at once, you can simply select the title, the announcements title, and that will take you to a place where you can read all the latest posts. We'll want to keep that up to date so that not only will members know through the listserv what's happening in ARID, but other visitors to your site will know some of the great things that you as an organization are doing. It's a great way to recruit new members to your organization because they can quickly see the activities that you have available to them. Next, I'd like to show you an area of the site that is under development, and that is the photo gallery. It's nothing has been added yet, but I wanted to go ahead and set up the page and be ready for you so that as you develop or have photos available from your conference, you can send those to me and we can upload them. Once there are photos here, when a person selects the album, for example, Biennial Conference, then there will be a series of thumbnails, and you can select any of those thumbnails to see the full size of the image. I hope that you'll help me build this area of the site by sending me photos. Just give me a heads up if you're going to send some photos, and we'll make sure that they're not too large to send via email. I hope also that we can add in the future other albums that reflect the history of ARID. I was thinking it'd be fun to add a section called Interpreting for the Rich and Famous, where you could include photos of yourselves interpreting for celebrities or politicians. So help me build the site by sending your photos to add to the photo gallery.